Now the SPF of 20, like seriously, I don't think I've seen any body oil that is going to give your skin this benefits and still protect your skin from sunlight damage. Let's clap for this body oil. This oil is the goat. This oil needs to become popular. It doesn't get the hype that it deserves. For dark mark, I will say yes. Like, I will give this product a bit, in short, double thumbs up. Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. I am so excited about this review. You can tell from my face. This is a long-awaited review. I don't know if I should call this a long-awaited review, but this is a review on my best body oil. Yes, I know some of you all have been like, oh Chioma, what's the secret to your skin glow? What products do you use? Do you use this? Like, what exactly are you using? Now, when it comes to my body glow, ever since when I came across this body oil, this is the Veet Gold 3-in-1 body treatment oil. This oil is the goat. Yes, this oil is so good. This oil, like, if you have a fair skin and you want a glowing, a popping fair skin glow, like fair skin complexion, my dear, you need to make use of this oil. To show you how much I love this oil, I actually got this oil again. As a matter of fact, this is not even my first container or my second container of this oil. I've been making use of this oil. I think it should be up to, should I say 5 months or 6 months now? Yes, I know I have not done like a detailed sit down review talking about this body oil. I know I've not done that, and I don't know the reason why I have not done that, but I know that I have been chipping in this body oil in several of my videos. Like, there's one video I did on my 3 body combos that actually helps me to glow my skin. I actually brought in this body oil in that video. Well, all I'm just trying to say is that I've been making use of this body oil for a very long time, and today we are going to review this body oil. Now quickly, let's see. Okay, this body oil actually has a lot of claims on the body. Okay, so the first claim, it says maximum strength gradually fades dark marks, acne scars, and hyperpigmentation. That's their first claim. It says another one again, it says contains 100% pure plant extract that tonic improves skin elasticity to prevent the appearance of stretch marks and to maintain skin firmness. They said the lightweight silky texture absorbs quickly to deeply nourish the skin tone. Guys, you can see the way I'm smiling. There are some things they said in this body oil. Okay, let's just see if their claims are actually true. Let me don't say anything. And then another claim again, it says rejuvenating multivitamins helps target fine lines, wrinkles, blemishes, and age spots for a silky smooth finish, hydrates and softens skin, reshapes, lifts, tones, and improves skin firmness. Guys, can you see, like, can you hear how many benefits, like how many claims this body oil actually claims on the body? Now, before we move into any other thing, I know that that's what you are here for, to know how wonderful this body oil is. Now let's quickly talk about the claim. Like I said, I've been making use of this body oil. It should be up to 6 months now I've been making use of this body oil. So yes, I am that person that will give you the honest and detailed review about this Veet Gold oil. Also, I don't think this oil is very popular. But this oil needs to become popular. This oil does not deserve the hype that, like, it doesn't get the hype that it deserves. Now let's quickly go into their claims. So at the back, it says, first of all, on the heading, it says extreme skin whitening. Over here, it says extreme skin whitening. Sincerely, this product is not a bleaching product. No, I don't know why they used that statement, whitening, because okay, I feel like most people that formulate skincare products, they love using certain words to get people to buy their products. And also, I don't think Veet Gold is like a very popular brand, but I really love this product. I see this product as a repair body oil. This product is not going to, like, you know, bleach your skin at all. No. So their first claim, it says maximum strength gradually fades dark marks, acne scars, and hyperpigmentation. For dark mark, I would say yes. Like, I will give this product a big, in short, double thumbs up. Let me give this product double thumbs up because this product is so nice when it comes to fading dark marks on the skin, like dark spots. It's also good for hyperpigmentation. Now for the aspect of acne scars, I can't say anything about that because I don't have acne scar on my body, so I won't say if it's actually good for acne scar or if it's not good for acne scar. So their second claim, the heading on it, it says reduces stretch mark. So they said it contains 100% pure plant extract that improves skin elasticity, and that is true because this product is very moisturizing on the skin. Don't worry, I will still apply this product on my skin so that you see how moisturizing it is on my skin. So let's continue. It actually improves skin elasticity. It prevents the appearance of stretch marks. Stretch marks, I don't think it actually does. I don't think it actually prevents the appearance of stretch marks. No, it doesn't. Now talking about stretch mark, I am still going to film a video on stretch mark. The reason why I said it does not is because there is this part on my legs, on my laps, that I'm beginning to develop stretch mark. Now if I've been making use of this product for like almost 6 months now, or let me even say 6 months plus, am I supposed to get that stretch mark? Maybe it says that it prevents the appearance of stretch mark. That means since I've been making use of it for a very long time, I'm not supposed to get the stretch mark, right? Is that not how it's supposed to go? But yet stretch marks still came out from my leg. But that stretch mark, I have actually tackled it, and there are special products that I use to tackle that stretch mark, which I'm not going to say because I am going to film a separate video on stretch mark. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm so happy. Don't worry, just turn on the post notification bell. Make sure to subscribe. Yes, subscribe to my channel. Okay, turn on the post notification bell because very soon I will release that video concerning stretch mark. But this one with stretch mark, no, it doesn't do anything for stretch mark. So I don't know where they said it actually helps prevent stretch mark. No, it doesn't prevent any stretch mark, so let's forget about that one. It says the lightweight silky texture absorbs quickly into the skin. They said it's lightweight. Now let us judge it. This is a new opening. Let me use my old one. Let us judge it whether this is lightweight, because to me this is not lightweight. I don't know why they said it's lightweight, but this is not lightweight. Let me apply it on my skin. You see that it's actually runny, but guys, can you see this part of my hands? This thing is not so lightweight on my skin. This is not so lightweight, but it might look lightweight. Like it's not so thick. Okay, it's not so heavy, but it is definitely not so lightweight. Well, maybe I could say they are lightweight. The lightweight they said there is true. Maybe I could just give it to them and say it's actually lightweight because it is not so thick. Like there are some thick, extremely thick body oils that if you even apply it on your skin, you will see that the body oil is very, very thick on the skin. But this one is not like so thick. Neither is this one like so lightweight. And let me just put it in the middle. It's not so thick and it is not so lightweight. So that's just like the texture on the feel of my skin. That's just how the texture is. It says its silky texture absorb well into the skin, and that is true. It actually has a silky texture. As I'm touching my hands, the texture is actually very silky, and you all can see that it has already absorbed into my skin. So yes, it's actually absorbed well into the skin. Now let's go to another claim. They say, it says, okay, this one heading says deep anti-aging benefits. Rejuvenating vitamins helps to target fine lines on the skin, and that is true. Like if your skin is looking like age, let's say your skin is looking dull, like if you have a dull looking skin, maybe your fair skin is looking so dull, my dear, just make use of this Veet Gold body oil. It is so good, like when it comes to like treating all this dull looking skin. So I would say that it actually helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. I will still recommend you make use of products that contains retinol in it, but this one, you know, all those little appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, or dull looking skin, this will definitely help you. Like this product is a power product. I don't know, like, oh god, I said that this product is not getting the hype, the recognition that it deserves, and I hope it is going to get the recognition that it deserves one day, because this product is very nice. It says it helps reduce blemishes and age spots on the skin. I've already mentioned that before, and yes, it actually helps to reduce blemishes on the skin. Another benefit, it says it's smooth finish, it hydrates and softens the skin, and that's true. Yes, it actually hydrates the skin and it also softens the skin. That is true. Yes, if you have a dry skin, okay, if you have a very dry skin, if you make use of this body oil will actually help you to, get rid of that dryness on your skin. This product is so good for people that has dry skin. Okay, it hydrates, it softens the skin, they said it reshapes the skin, lifts, tones the skin, and improves skin firmness, which is also true. Like I said before, if your skin is looking like dull, unhealthy, you're having wrinkles on your skin is feeling dehydrated, this product, when you apply this product on your skin, it will actually help you to improve skin firmness on your skin. It is very moisturizing. It helps tone the skin. As you can see how like toned, you can see the way my skin actually looks. Like, this is one of the secrets behind my skin glow, because obviously this is not the only product that I use, but this product is very, very nice. Now let me just quickly apply this product on my skin. I'll be using my old bottle. Let me just apply it on my skin. First off, let me try to clean this part of my hands so that this place is going to look dry, and also clean this one. Let the both of them look dry so that you can see the difference. So I'm going to apply it on this part of my hands. Let me just pour it direct. You can see how the consistency of it, that's why I said this thing is not too thick and neither is it too lightweight. I mentioned that earlier. It's not too thick and it's not too lightweight. Now let me rub it into my skin. Let me come closer. Guys, can you see the way my skin is already feeling so moisturized? Can you see this part of my skin? Can you see? Like, can you tell the difference between this place and this part of my skin? This place is already feeling more moisturized. So this body oil is so nice for dry skin. It will really help you to like moisturize your skin. It's a very, very nice product. So that's just like all the claims about this product. Now let's just move on to other things I love about this product. Now this product is that's something I love about it. This product contains SPF 20. Now, to be very sincere, this was the thing that got me attracted to this body oil. This body oil over here, you're going to see it over here, it contains an SPF of 20. When I went to the market, like the first day I saw this body oil, I was like, skin repair treatment oil. And that time when I got this body oil, my skin was like my skin was looking dull. My skin was not looking so healthy, and I was like, should I try out this body oil? I decided to give this body oil a try. If this body oil is making my skin look somehow, I will just discontinue it and go and throw it inside dustbin. But I never knew that I'm going to fall in love with this body oil. Now the SPF of 20, like seriously, I don't think I've seen any body oil that is going to give your skin these benefits and still protect your skin from sunlight damage. Let's clap for this body oil. Guys, don't mind me, I'm being so dramatic. The reason why I'm being so dramatic is because I love this oil so much. But let me still clap for this body oil. It's so good. So that's one of the reasons why I got attracted to this body oil. But that's not to say I don't make use of sunscreen with this body oil, because I still do make use of sunscreen with this body oil, because it is recommended you go for at least an SPF of 30 of your sunscreen, and obviously this is not up to SPF 30. So that's the reason why I still make use of sunscreen on my skin, even if I'm making use of this body oil. This oil should only be used on your body. I have never made use of this oil on my face before. Okay, I have never, and I am not going to try it. This is just a body oil. So if you want to make use of this oil, I will also advise that you make use of this oil only on your body. Now, if you notice, I've been talking about if you have a fair skin, and the reason why is because I noticed that this is like a treatment oil. Obviously, like the name states, it says body treatment oil. It's a treatment oil that will help you to like target dark spots on your skin. That's how I see this oil. So which means if you have a dark skin, I don't know, I have never come across somebody that is dark skin that have made use of this oil, but I feel like if you have a dark skin, this thing might have the tendency, not that it's going to bleach you and turn you completely fair. No, it's not going to do that, but it might give you this your dark skin will not be looking like so dark. I don't know how I'm going to explain it, but I feel like this oil should be used by fair skin, but if you have a dark skin, you can try it out, and if it doesn't like change your skin complexion, then fine. But like I said earlier, this is not a whitening product, this is not a bleaching product. And another thing again is that this product does not give dark knuckles. Okay, you can see my hands. Can you see my hands? This product does not give dark knuckles on the skin, neither is it going to give you like dark knees, green veins. No, it doesn't do that. It's not going to give you green veins on anywhere. Okay, so this product is not going to do that. This is actually a treatment body product, and it says it is 100% natural because it contains pure plant extracts, which is also very beneficial to the skin. So that's just like, you know, the benefits of this product. Before I forget, I just want to point out that this product has a fragrance in it. Let me smell it again. I don't even know how to describe the fragrance, but I think that I don't know, I'm going to explain it, but it doesn't have like an intimidating fragrance, okay, but it definitely has a fragrance which it doesn't turn me off. I actually like the fragrance, so that's just something you need to know. It has a fragrance in it. Now, like I said, that I really love this body oil and I had to repurchase this body oil. Now, coming to the price of this body oil, I'm going to be giving you the price of the new one I bought. So I got this one for 4,300 naira. The price is still on the body itself. The price tag is still on the body. What is written over here is 4,300 naira, or just expect this body oil to be between 4,000 naira and 5,000 naira. That's like the price range of this body oil. And then for the size, it is 150 ml. That's the size of this body oil I'm making use of. Now, like I said, that it is not only this body oil that I use on my skin. I actually pair this oil with 3 other products that actually helps me to glow my skin, and those products has to do with my body soap, a very cheap product, my body lotion, a very cheap product, and also this body oil, another cheap product. So I'm going to leave the link of that video I'm talking about over here, so you can follow this link to check out that video. So loves, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.